Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be showing you how to find photos hidden from your timeline on Facebook using your PC. It's a handy trick that can help you uncover those hidden memories. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Click on your profile photo located at the top right corner and open your profile. This will take you to your personal profile page. Step 3. Look for the Photos tab on the left-hand side of the screen and click on it. Step 4. Find the 3 dots icon, typically located on the right-hand side of the screen, near the top. Click on it to access additional options. Step 5. In the drop-down menu, select See Photos Hidden from Timeline. By clicking this option, you'll be able to view all the photos that are hidden from your timeline. And there you have it! Now you know how to find photos hidden from your timeline on Facebook using your PC. It's a simple process that can help you rediscover those precious memories. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.